When you open Inventor 2016, you'll notice this new section with links to your projects, shortcuts, files. You can actually scroll through and see what projects you're working on currently, and you've got quick links to new parts, assemblies, presentations and drawings. You've also got a list of equipment and things that you've been working on recently. I find it easier just to turn that off and use your existing old school toolbar or your drop down. First thing we want to do when we're starting a project is to create a new project. This is something that students always forget. It causes all sorts of problems if you don't do it right. So we click the Projects tab and we're going to create a new project, and it's going to be a single user project, and we're going to call it Folding Shovel. I'm going to call it Demo 2 because that's how many I'm up to. It will automatically save in My Documents in an Inventor folder, and that's a good place to put it. And we just hit Finish, and you want to create that. And then hit Done. Now you can see on here, whatever's ticked is the active project you're working on. What a lot of students do is create a project as you've instructed them, and then when they go back in, they don't check that they're working in their active project, so it starts creating all their components in another project. They're really hard to find, really difficult for Inventor to put assemblies together when components aren't in the right project. So just check that the project you want to work on is ticked. And I'll show you in your file system. If you go into Documents, Inventor, you'll have a list of all the projects that you've created. So I'm going to Folding Shovel Demo 2, see that it creates the IPJ file, which is a project file. Inventor can't put an assembly together without the IPJ cemented in that folder, so that's where the trouble comes with a lot of students. Alright, that's your basic setup. Now we can go in and start modeling components.